Hi there, and welcome to Giftease Academy. So, what is the Giftease Academy? It's a unique learning management system tailored specifically for charity professionals. It offers a variety of courses to meet your organization's needs, making learning easy, intuitive, and efficient. With Giftease Academy, charities can quickly register, enroll, manage, and track their learners' progress, all in one place. Our platform is designed for charity professionals, whether you're a staff member, trustee, or volunteer. Your team can enhance their knowledge of gift aid while ensuring compliance with the latest laws. We offer flexible pricing plans based on your organization's size and the number of users. You can even start with a free trial. For tailored pricing, contact us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk. We provide enterprise subscriptions for larger organizations or those with multiple enrollments. Reach out and we'll customize a solution just for you. Giftease Academy is fully GDPR compliant. We ensure your learners' data is securely stored and handled with the utmost care. We offer custom solutions to address unique topics or requirements. Just contact us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk to get started. Register today for a free organizational account and transform your charity's learning experience. Giftease Academy, empowering your organization one course at a time.